In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your email address here on Facebook. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to see your email address here on Facebook, begin by opening up Facebook and then hitting the menu icon in the bottom right corner. This is going to open up a page that looks something like this. Now, I will say if it's not in the bottom right corner for you, in other devices it is in the top right, so just check to see where it is. But once you do get to this page, scroll down and hit the settings and privacy option and then hit settings just like so. Up at the very top, you're going to see this option for account center. Go ahead and select that. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see an option with personal details. Go ahead and select this option. From here, go ahead and select the first option, which is going to be contact info. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, where you're going to be able to see the email address currently linked to your account. From here, you can tap it or manage it in your email settings. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.